Fiverr has taken the internet by storm. There is really no other way to say it. This little freelancing platform that could has totally transformed people's expectations of getting and providing freelance services through an online exchange format. It seems that Fiverr has solved the two most common problems freelance platforms have historically struggled with. Fiverr not only offers a ton of services from a wide range of eager providers from all over the world, but it is also able to pull in lots of buyers. When you put these two factors together, it is no surprise that Fiverr has become the go-to freelance service destination on the internet. Fiverr has many testimonials of people claiming that their income on this platform has replaced their regular job's income. But there's a big warning sign. You have to be careful about using Fiverr the right way. If you don't know what you're doing, or if you don't have a strategy, you end up wasting time and, yes, money in the form of opportunity costs. Here's where my advice for you comes in. With my advice, you are going to understand the truth about making money off Fiverr. You will learn to identify 6 different methods anybody can use to make real money off Fiverr. You will learn everything there is to know about playing the Fiverr game the right way. You can begin to understand how lucrative this micro-freelancing platform can be. You're going to learn exactly how to think outside of the traditional freelancing box. To make it easy, I've put together a step-by-step guide that will show you exactly how it's done. Introducing How to Make Money on Fiverr, a systematic guide to building your online empire $5 at a time. No stones are left unturned when you get your hands on this now. You will become a complete expert on this, and you'll get everything you need inside to do the same. Here's just a quick preview of what you'll discover inside. Fiverr's secret, the good news, the biggest hassle with Fiverr, 6 better ways to make money off Fiverr, offer premium value-added services, bundle others' services and sell turnkey assets, bundle other services and sell operational assets, buy services that help you buy resellable high-value assets, resell cheap Fiverr services at other high-value locations, use Fiverr services to build your own assets, plus a whole lot more. This is the easiest way to actually start making money off Fiverr. Who needs this step-by-step guide? If you answer yes to any of the below, you need this. You want to dedicate yourself to charging a lot more for your time. You want to stop trying to turn your spare time into spare cash. You know that traditional freelancing is also not very scalable. You want to have the chance to make real money off Fiverr. You want to learn how to play the Fiverr freelancing game to win. Does this sound like exactly what you need? But maybe your next question is, how much? If you're going to hire an expert on this to show you how it's done, you could easily find yourself investing hundreds of dollars for this sort of coaching. In fact, many people invest hundreds and thousands of dollars to get into coaching programs or attend workshops. But you won't have to invest anywhere near that today. And it just keeps getting better. When you make the wise decision to grab this today, you'll also get these fast action bonuses. Fast action bonus number 1, how to make money on Fiverr, cheat sheet, valued at $27. This cheat sheet is a handy checklist that makes it easy to get started. It breaks up the entire guide into easy-to-follow steps so that you can make sure you have all the highlights of everything covered inside right at your fingertips. Fast action bonus number 2, how to make money on Fiverr, mind map, valued at $17. Some people learn better by looking at a mind map. The mind map gives you an overview of everything covered inside the guide. You can also print it out for quick reference anytime you need it. Fast action bonus number 3, how to make money on Fiverr, resource guide, valued at $17. The resource guide gives you a quick point of reference to all of the resources mentioned throughout the guide. This makes it easy to plug in and stick with what you're looking for. Try this guide on my dime. There's no risk. There are a lot of people that claim to offer a solution on how to start making money off Fiverr, so it's understandable if you're a little skeptical. I can keep telling you just how great my guide is, but you really need to go through it and see for yourself what it's all about to know if it's for you. That's why I'm going to give you a full 30 days to decide if this is for you. If for any reason, or no reason at all, you're not 100% satisfied with what's inside, simply send me an email and I'll refund every penny of your tiny investment. No questions asked. Click the button below now to get instant access. Thank you so much for taking the time to take a look at this extremely limited offer that has the potential to help you learn how to use Fiverr the right way. I'll see you on the inside.